Hello and welcome to today's video, where I'm going to show you how to adjust the spin speed on your Beko washing machine. So, why would you want to change the spin speed? Well, adjusting it can help protect delicate clothes, reduce wrinkles, or save time depending on what you're washing. Higher speeds remove more water, which means faster drying, but for some fabrics, lower is better. Alright, let's get started. First, turn on your washing machine. Then, select the washing program you want to use. Each program has its own default spin speed, but most of them will let you change it manually. Now, look for the spin speed button on your control panel. It usually has a little spiral or fan-like icon on it, or it might just be labeled spin. Press the button, and the display will cycle through the available spin speeds, for example, 1400, 1200, 1000, 800, and so on. Just keep tapping until you find the speed you want. If you don't want the clothes to spin at all, like for very delicate items, you can even select no spin or rinse hold, depending on your model. Once you've set your desired spin speed, just press start and let the machine do its thing. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips.